Hello everyone! Welcome to my YouTube channel! Today's lesson is about there is and there are. We'll find out when to use them in sentences. We will learn the use of is and are with the word there. When do we use there is and there are in sentences? Let's find out. We use there is with singular nouns, which means only one person, one place, one animal, or thing. For example, there is one cake. There is one red hat. There is one green balloon. We use there are with plural nouns, meaning more than one person, place, animal, or thing. There are 5 hats. There are 3 balloons. There are 5 children. Let's review. We can say that we use there is with only one person, place, animal, or thing. And we use there are with more than one person, place, animal, or thing. In short, there is used for singular nouns, and there are is used for plural nouns. For example, there is one tree. There are 2 trees. There is one table. There are 4 tables. There is one cat. There are 3 cats. Now that you know how to use there is and there are in a sentence, let's practice using them with simple English exercises. Let's do this! Look at the picture and complete the sentence with there is or there are. There are 5 children. There is a clock. There are many books. There are 5 desks. There is 1 window. There is a bench. There are 5 trees. There are 4 boys. There is 1 girl. There is a scooter. There are 2 books. Good job! I hope you found these exercises useful. If you do, click like and subscribe to see new videos on our channel to help you improve your English. Have an awesome day!